Hello, everyone. We are now at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is now more important than ever that we practice social distancing, washing our hands, and we have some important tips that the S.A.L.T team will give you now.
Hello, everyone. Limit your exposure by not touching any object anyone else has touched.
Wash your hands. You know, you want to wash your hands often, especially after you've touched stuff that other people may have touched. Washing your hands is the #1 way to prevent the spread of coronavirus. But that's not all.
Don't touch your face. Germs can go from your hands to your mouth and nose, so don't touch your face.
Remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze and cough, but not with your hands.
Remember, stay 6 feet apart from other people.
And remember, it's just like Mama always told us, wash those hands. Together, we can stop the spread of this virus.